Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose security, click on face, and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the disclaimer, click on OK, and keep your face in frame until you see 100% mark. Now you need to select OK and adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on all of those switchers. Then click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Vivo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!